To fix the package installer keeps stopping problem. Follow these steps. First, ensure your device is updated to the latest operating system version. This is crucial as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues like this. Next, check for any pending updates in the package installer app itself. Sometimes, updating the installer can fix the problem. Clear the cache and data of the package installer app to remove any temporary files that may be causing the issue. You can do this by going to your device settings, selecting apps, finding the package installer app, and choosing the clear cache and clear data options. Be aware that clearing data will remove any saved preferences, so use this option with caution. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the package installer app. Note that this option may not be available for all devices, especially if the package installer is a system app. In such cases, you can try booting your device in safe mode to isolate the issue. If the package installer works in safe mode, it suggests that a third-party app is causing the problem. You can then proceed to uninstall recently installed apps one by one to identify the problematic app. Another solution is to reset app preferences to their default settings. This can be done by going to Device Settings, selecting Apps, and choosing the Reset App Preferences option. Finally, if none of the above steps work, consider performing a factory reset on your device. This should be your last resort as it will erase all data on your device. Make sure to back up your important files before proceeding with a factory reset. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the package installer keeps stopping problem and get back to installing your desired packages without any issues. Remember to always keep your device and apps updated to minimize the risk of encountering such problems in the future.